Okay, there it is. Hello, everybody, and my name is Harlequin Murray, and welcome to our DAC Business Opportunity presentation. Ellen Wynn is our speaker this evening, or this afternoon, and just to let you know, she is an agent with DAC and has been with the company for almost 6 years. She's one of the top leaders in the company, and we are pleased to have her as our presenter today. So Ellen, go ahead and take it away.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you, Harlequin. I appreciate that. Let me get us into screen share and get my slides started. All right, let's see. Are you seeing my slides, Harlequin?
Yes.
Thumbs up? Yes. Okay, excellent, excellent. Hey, welcome everyone. As Harlequin said, I've been with DAC almost 6 years now, and I'm super excited that you're here seeing this information today. Someone invited you to take a look at the DAC opportunity because they believe in what we have to offer, and they thought that you might be a perfect fit for this opportunity. I'll make it brief, but I'm going to take you through our affiliate agency opportunity, where we give you the upside of business ownership simplified without any risk whatsoever. With DAC, you'll be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. By simply promoting essential and innovative B2B or business to business services, as well as some innovative consumer services or B2C services. We have next day bonuses available on some of our services, large bonuses where you could actually earn a full-time income marketing these marketing these bonus services, which I'll get into detail in just a minute. And then we also have monthly passive residual income available, which allows you to build a long-term walkaway income by marketing our services. You can refer other agents if you like. So you can market services on your own, or if you want to build an agency, you can do that. You don't have to. You can earn a full-time income or a great part-time income just marketing on your own. But we also give you that ability to build an agency, and you can get paid if you do refer other agents. You can get paid when you help them become successful. All of our training is provided where again, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. It's free to get started, so there's no investment into DAC now or ever in the future. So nothing to hold you back from getting started with us. So let's talk a little bit about our company, who we are. DAC is a nationwide business. We're based out of Michigan, and we've been in business since 2015. We're coming up on our 9-year anniversary in August. We are strong financially, debt-free, and profitable every year. And our founder is experienced. He has over 30 years of proven success building home-based businesses. He really put this company together for folks like you and I who are out here looking for additional ways to make income or maybe a lifestyle change to get away from a day-to-day job and have true time freedom. DAC, as we said, we've been in business since 2015. We've been laying the foundation with a solid foundation, innovative services, and now we're positioned and poised into our massive growth phase or phase two with our DAC business opportunity. We're looking for self-motivated self-starters who are wanting to earn significant side income or wanting to earn a full-time income through having their own business with DAC. So let's talk real quick about the B2B side and the C2C or B2C side of our business and those services. DAC's flagship program, where we started in 2015, was with business funding. When I first got started with DAC, that's all we offered. We had a few lending providers in our network. Today, we have one of the largest lending platforms in North America. Our business funding allows 80% of the business owners that qualify for funding with us to get approved and typically get funded same day or next day with that funding. Our consumer services, our innovative flat fee pharmacy. This is a game changer in the pharmaceutical medication space. It's a flat fee pharmacy where people can pay a low monthly fee and have all of their prescriptions sent to them for free. Now, on our B2B services, we also have payment processing. We have a healthcare program that I just finished a webinar on. We'll go into a little bit more detail on that in just a minute. So that can be marketed to employer groups. We also have that flat fee pharmacy can be offered as an employee benefit. And we have a pay card or a pay advance program that is free to the employer, is free to the employee, and it's an innovative way for employers to save money, get money to their employees quickly, and also give employees a free payday advance. On the B2C, I mentioned that we have healthcare, not only for groups, but we also have it for individuals. In fact, our healthcare program was really created for 1099 workers that typically don't have any options for healthcare, and we provide a phenomenal solution on that. We also have the nation's best identity theft protection product at the best price. If we can't save a consumer money on what they're on the services that they're getting from us, then we're not going to offer that service. And we have other services coming in the near future. So, do you need experience to get started with us? No experience needed. Every service that we market is supported by industry experts who help onboard your customers. You simply refer those potential clients over to your personalized website. Some of them you may help walk through the client, get them through the website. And then once they're in with our experts and are connected, then the experts take it from there. When the client gets started that you referred, then you get paid for that. Again, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. So let's break these down a little bit more in detail and go into our business funding. Our next day business funding is one of the largest funding platforms in the country. And you think about business funding, most people first think about a bank, right? Well, banks are great for about 20% of business owners. And these numbers really were eye-opening for me because I had been one of those traditional business owners years ago. Back in 1997, I walked away from corporate America, started a restaurant chain on my own brand. And I quickly found that borrowing money from the bank is very difficult. So banks are great for 20% of the business owners, but 80% of business owners can't get approved at their local bank. And that is where DAC comes in. We have the funding solution where we offer revenue-based working capital and revenue-based lines of credit, meaning they do not have to have collateral. We take a look at what their sales are, and based on current month sales and the past 3 months sales, we can predict what their sales are going to be in the future and what they can afford to borrow and pay back. So that's revenue-based lending. So again, we have a solution for 80% of those that can't get approved at the bank. Our funding platform is called Bank Breezy. This is actually a co-branded product that DAC owner, our founder, co-branded and co-created this particular product for David Allen Capital. We're now using this and marketing this particular product to other companies that want to add funding to their platform. And you can get paid if you come on as a DAC agent and you refer this Bank Breezy platform out to other sales organizations. You have the opportunity to earn off of every funding that they do. DAC and our partnership with Bank Breezy, we have a meter-beat guarantee. So we're that confident that our pricing is going to be the best offer that is available in the market because we're partnered with over 50 of the top lenders, top reputable lenders. So when someone applies through us, they fill out one simple application online. They submit 3 months bank statements, a copy of the voided check, and a copy of their driver's license. And within a day, typically, they're getting an answer, an offer, and potentially money in their bank account through our online lending platform. But we guarantee to bring back the best offer for that particular business owner. So again, you refer the business owner that needs capital to your website. They go through, fill out the information, upload their documents. They get an answer quickly. They get the funds that they need quickly. Now, this is an example of what your website looks like, where we have a little video there with our CEO and founder, David Rutz, talking about how we're going to help them get the funding that they need. All they do is click on Apply Now. We have business marketing collateral for funding, and every service that we offer, we have marketing collateral available, plus the free co-branded website for you, personalized website with your identity on your referral link. Again, banks are great for 20% of businesses, but we have the answer and solution for the 80% that can't get approved. Funding is even more tight with the economy the way it is today, and a lot of banks that are withdrawing from the business community. So we really have a very much needed service in the marketplace. And again, you can earn large bonuses by referring our funding solutions to small business owners and get paid the next day in most cases. All right, let's talk about our flat fee pharmacy on our business to consumer side. This flat fee pharmacy is amazing. For one low monthly cost, all your prescriptions are free. So let's take a look at this short video.
Struggling with the high cost of prescriptions? It's time to discover DAC's Flat Fee RX
Sorry about that.
membership. For just $19.95 per month for an individual or $29.95 for your entire family, get your prescriptions for free. All your chronic medications shipped for free, right to your doorstep. Need immediate meds? Pick them up for free from your local pharmacy. Over 90% of chronic and acute medications are included for free, with huge discounts on the rest. New members receive a free diabetic kit and the lowest priced insulin available, and save over 50% on over-the-counter meds like Advil. Just add them to your RX shipment. Ready to start saving? Click on the link now to begin your DAC's Flat Fee RX membership and take the first step towards affordable healthcare.
The biggest pushback I hear on our flat fee pharmacy program is people say that's too good to be true. Well, folks, it's real. There's an 80,000 square foot pharmacy behind the scenes on this, based out of Ohio. They've been in business for about 7 years, and they're the one that is the fulfillment center for this. So real life pharmacists are going to answer questions. The pharmacy takes the order once someone subscribes. It's only $19.95 a month for individuals and $29.95 a month for a family, where they're going to receive their top 90% chronic medications for free. Chronic is that ongoing medication that you take month after month after month. It's licensed in all 50 states. And also provides coverage for the top 90% acute medications. Difference between acute and chronic: acute is when you go to the doctor and you have an immediate need, like an antibiotic or something on those lines for an immediate illness, right? That's acute medications where you can pick those up locally. The chronic meds are shipped out via mail directly from the pharmacy there in Ohio. For the local pickup of those acute medications, there are 64,000 pharmacies nationwide that are part of our network. And we also have the lowest cost diabetic program in the nation. We're partnered up with Walmart, and anyone that's on insulin, which has to be refrigerated, they can go pick it up at their local Walmart store at a lower price than they can buy it directly from Walmart. Our insulin vials are only $19.88 per vial. And then if they are diabetic and they get started with us, they'll get a free diabetic medication starter kit to get them kicked off with the program. And my slide, there we go. Discounted membership pricing on non-medication, non-free medication. As the video said, where you get Advil, you get vitamins and all that included, basically at a wholesale price. You can order it and have it shipped to you. The over-the-counter medications at half price, and then we've got the licensed pharmacist online able to talk and answer questions. And this program works exactly like, let's say for today, let's say that you have your prescriptions at the local CVS. If you were going to switch from CVS to Walgreens, how would that process work? Well, you'd call CVS and say, hey, I'm moving my prescriptions. And they'll say, well, you need to call Walgreens. Walgreens would call CVS and transfer those prescriptions for you, right? Well, our pharmacy works the exact same way. Someone becomes a member, they enroll in the program as an individual for $19.95 or a family member for $29.95 for an entire family. Then they're going to call and talk to the support team at our pharmacy, and that support team is going to start the drug transfer process for them, just like a local pharmacy would, but this is just a phone call. So it's real simple, and even though it's mail order, it's going to feel very familiar to most of the users there. This is an example of the website that you'll get for free. It again will have your information on it. And when someone goes in and clicks on I want free prescriptions when they subscribe, then you're going to get credit for that. There's an online lookup tool where they can go in and start typing in a drug name and pull up medications to see if the medications that they're on are covered on our flat fee program for free. Okay. And then there's one more. There's the sign up page where they have the ability to get a family plan or an individual. And get this, this is a huge benefit to our program. We have the lowest price prescription plans on this program in the nation. If someone wants to pay for this program annually, they're actually going to get 12 months for the price of 11 months. So there's a 1 month free if they sign up for an annual plan with us. Again, we've always got the best pricing on whatever it is we market, or we're not going to market it. We also have flat fee for large groups, for employer groups, where they can offer this as an employee benefit. So it's a great way for you to have one conversation with a business owner. They see the value of adding this to their current benefit lineup, and you can bring on several clients with one small business. We also have added a flat fee fundraiser program. This allows you to talk to local nonprofits or local churches that really would love to see an oncoming monthly revenue stream coming in through not only benefiting them financially, but also benefiting their community and being able to help their community afford medications that most people can't afford today. There's over a 30% walkaway rate at the counter at the drugstore, where people get a prescription filled, and when they get to the register to pay for the prescriptions, they find out it's more than they can afford. So they abandon that at checkout and walk away because they can't afford it. And we help eliminate that problem with this flat fee product. Okay, so a quick glance at our other services. Let's go through the credit card processing. We have the best pricing on credit card services. We can do credit card processing for virtually any company out there. Even high-risk companies, we can find a solution for them. We offer traditional financing or traditional processing, and we also do the dual pay or the cash discounting processing, which is really the wave of the future today. It saves the business owner all of their credit card fees, and it puts more money in your pocket as a referring agent. Again, you simply refer them over to your website. Our experts take over from there. When they onboard the client, they support the client, yet you get paid for making that introduction. Our healthcare program, individual and family coverage. Guys, I'm on this. This is my insurance plan. I've been a member since August of last year, and it is phenomenal. It's not an insurance, it's a healthcare, but it looks like, it works like, and it feels exactly like an insurance plan, only far cheaper. I'm paying just over $400 for an individual plan that has all the bells and whistles, more bells and whistles than my traditional plan had prior to becoming a member here with DAC Healthcare. I've got telehealth, I've got Talkspace for mental health. If I want to talk to a counselor every month, I can for free. It's included. I have just a flat copay when I go to the doctor. It covers preventative care, all the stuff that traditional insurance does, but my out-of-pocket max is much lower, and my overall expense on a monthly basis is much lower. All in all, we're seeing about a 60% savings. We also have that employee pay card. This card can be offered to employers where they can bring their employees in, they sign up for a free digital account, and those employees, if the company qualifies, those employees can get up to 50% of their pay before payday. So imagine a business that is on biweekly pay, right? They get paid on Friday, and now it's 2 weeks before the employee gets paid again. That employee has an emergency, a car breakdown, flat tires, something on those lines where they need money and they may not have credit available. They can go through their pay any day with our pay card, get an advance on their upcoming pay, and have the money they need, and keep them from wasting money on payday loans that so many people end up going through. All right. Could you see yourself marketing any of these services? I know I've done a real quick touch on everything that we offer, but guys, if you're looking at this opportunity and you're saying, yeah, I see the benefit in that, or maybe I could use that myself, or I know someone that could use this. Could you see yourself asking a simple question to someone that you know? Would you be interested, or what are you guys doing for healthcare? Or are you spending more than $20 a month on prescription drugs? Those types of questions, just piquing interest in what we're doing. Well, if you could see yourself using any of them, what about referring them? Because if you see the value in them, most likely you're wanting to tell someone about it. So let's get into the compensation plan and what you would get paid if you referred these services out to someone else. Okay, so you can get started and look at this as a self-employed affiliate opportunity where you're going to get paid your upfront bonuses by referring funding customers and earn residual income on our other services. Or if you really want to take this and run with it, you can look at it as a business owner and have an affiliate agency where not only you're marketing customers yourself, but you can also offer the opportunity to other people. And if you bring on other affiliates, you can earn a matching income on what they make just by being the referral partner. Okay, so let's talk about how that works. Let's first look at the affiliate income and you earning personal commissions. And this is on bonus revenue. Let's say that you have a business owner who gets $40,000 in funding. The bonus revenue on that is typically 10% of what the client receives. So there will be $4,000 in bonus revenue, and you're going to earn 40 to 80%. In dollar amounts, let's keep it simple. $40,000 funding, if you're at the 40% range, you're going to make $1,600. If you're on the high end, up to that 80% or 8% of the funded amount, you could make up to $3,200 by helping one business owner get $40,000 that they needed to grow and expand their business. Is that a win-win? Absolutely. The business owner is getting the money they need, and you're getting a handsome referral fee for bringing that client to DAC. And this gets paid the next day on those big bonuses for funding. All right, let's take a look at your personal commissions on residual. So you refer an RX customer. There's $10 a month of residual revenue that goes into the compensation plan. And you are going to earn 20 to 50% of that, which is $2 to $5 per customer. Now that's every month. So one customer that signs up on the RX plan over 12 months is going to be worth $24 to $60. And that depends on where you are in the compensation plan. The way you get to the higher pay is to get more customers. The more customers you have personally and the higher personal client revenue you have, the bigger share you earn of that percentage. Okay, let's say you bring on a healthcare customer. That's going to put $40 of residual revenue into the compensation plan. Again, you're going to make 20 to 50% of that. In dollar terms, that's $8 to $20 a month on that client. So a healthcare client, one client could be worth up to $240 a year just by simply referring them, bringing them onto a service that's going to save them money, put them in a better situation than their traditional healthcare, and you get rewarded significantly for making the referral. That $100,000 in payment processing client, if you refer them, let's say that's about $500 in monthly residual revenue. You make 20 to 50% or $100 to $250 a month, each and every month, because they're going to continue running credit cards and collecting credit card payments at their business, right? Now, all of the residual payments are paid monthly. So you add that on top of the funding bonuses that can get paid daily, you can add up significant income quickly. Now, let's talk about that becoming an affiliate agency, and we call it affiliate income magnified, where you can refer others to the DAC opportunity. It's free for them to join just like it is for you. They earn the same pay that you do, but you can earn a match on what they earn just because you referred and you're helping them learn the DAC system and you're there to support them. So the enroller match, let's go through this one. This is people that you introduce, right? You can earn a 20 to 50% match on the residual revenue of your own, and then you can earn 10 to 50% match of the people that you enroll. So let's take a look at an example. In this example of several different affiliates, let's say that all combined, they made $5,400 in residual commissions. Your match of 10 to 50% on the low end would be $540, all the way up to $270. And this is just your personally enrolled agent. So that's 10 to 50% match of their group income of $5,400. Let's talk about another way we get paid outside of personal commissions. You have your enroller match if you're building a team. We also have 7-level match on your team, 7 levels deep in your team. And I'll note that this is paid through compression. Let's take a look at how this looks, okay? 7 levels, you can earn 25 to 30% of their income. So again, when we look at a group, and let's say you have someone in your team who just earned $100 in monthly residual income, your 25% match would be $25, right? Of that $100 alone. But what if you could help your team reach 200 people, and 200 people were each earning $100 in residual income on their base? That would mean there's $20,000 getting paid out to 200 people in your team, and your 7-level match at 25% of the 20,000 will be $5,000. That's monthly residual income coming in month after month. And remember, our services are real sticky services. It's not like nutritional products and some of these where people may buy and may order again or may not. These are services that are needed, and they're going to continue staying on the service. So these are sticky customers, and you can see that residual start to grow and continue to grow as we add more customers, plus retain the customers that we already have. All right. In addition to the ways we get paid that I've covered, again, personal commissions, enroller commissions, 7-level pay, we also have leadership bonuses and perks where you can earn on open line infinity and coded overrides on your entire open line beyond your 7 levels. We have car allowances from $400 to $1,000 a month, expense allowances from $1,000 to $2,000 a month, company-wide revenue sharing, where you can earn 2% of residual revenue set aside for leaders. You can earn a portion of that 2%. And then we have company equity, where you can actually become an owner in the company when you reach the top ranks of DAC. I've been in this industry for over 20 years, and I've never seen a compensation plan that is so rich as the DAC plan is. And the reason that is our founder, David Rutz, has been involved in building companies and building businesses over the years. And through his experience, he has seen a lot of times that as a leader, you come in and you start building a big group. But in most companies, as you build a bigger group, you eventually get cut out of the money because another leader starts growing in your group and they start earning the pay that you were earning. That's not the case with DAC. In DAC, our compensation plan is built with extra layers in there to protect big builders. So if you're a big builder and you want to come in and build a long-term business, DAC is where you want to be for sure. A summary of our income types: affiliate income, you're out here doing it on your own. You're making that residual, monthly residual, and bonuses if you're referring funding clients. And then we have our enroller match. Then we have our 7-level team. Then we have our leadership override perks. Guys, there's not a more rich compensation plan out here in the direct selling or network marketing space. We've got proven tools and training available, and you can get with the person that enrolled you and go through a step-by-step game plan. Our training is simple, it's online, it's user-friendly, it's basically plug in when you can. You don't always have to be at a specific location or a specific time. So you can learn and get up to speed quickly. Tool culture, we've got videos, Agent Resource Center. We do live weekly calls, live presentations like this. And then we have team leadership, folks like myself who are doing weekly team meetings to support our organization. So there's a lot of opportunity for you to get plugged in, get trained, and get your questions answered, or do calls with you with your prospective client. So After seeing everything that I've covered today, how does this feel? Does this feel like it might be a good fit for you? If so, we would love to work with you. If you're not interested, I understand this isn't a good fit for everybody. But if it's not a good fit as far as marketing it goes, we'd love to save you some money on our services. And if it's not a good fit, I encourage you to get back with the person that invited you to see about maybe becoming their RX customer or getting a quote on healthcare to see where you might be able to save yourself and your family some money there. If you're possibly interested or maybe ready to run, if you're a 2 or a 3, then stick around. I'm going to cover a few quick points on our getting started training. But either way, we appreciate you spending time with us today, coming out for this live overview. Let me wrap this up. If you do decide to get started with us, you can go to your enrollers website. There's a join now button, and I encourage you, there's a little 14-minute video on there from our founder. Go watch that too. He has different insight on it than what I do, but you can click the join now button, get started, and look for an email from DAC support where they'll send you your welcome letter along with the web links for all your free websites and a guide to logging into the back office, getting your pay card set up, and getting yourself trained and off and running. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching. We appreciate your attendance today, and we'll just wrap up. We won't do the 4 steps to getting started. We'll cover that once you get your welcome letter. All right. If you have questions, please get back with the person that invited you today, and we'll get those questions answered. Again, thanks for attending. We'll see you on the next Zoom. Take care, everybody.